Hello students, today we are talking about tumor invasion. Now what is tumor invasion? Basically, tumor invasion is the process where the tumor spreads to the nearby tissue. Now what is the meaning of these words nearby tissue? Well, before we actually understand nearby tissue, let us first understand that tumor cells have generally some properties. If you look at the properties, some of the properties which the tumor cells generally show is that they have very high growth rates. As if you compare a tumor cell as compared to a normal cell, the growth rate of the tumor is very high. The second thing is tumors show very high packing densities. Now this means that if you compare the tumor cells to your normal cells, the packing densities of the tumor are generally very high. And to add upon these two factors is the third point, which is even more important, that tumor cells have very loose attachment to each other as well as to the basement membrane. Now these factors, they basically make a hell lot of difference, and they make sure that tumors are always loosely attached cells and they are able to invade nearby tissue. When I say nearby tissue, I mean to say nearby tissue means regional lymph nodes or the extracellular matrix. Okay, now here perhaps I have a diagram, so just to hammer in my point, just to make my point very clear. So this is, these blue colored ones are the tumor cells, you can see, and these orange is the basement membrane over which the tumor cells are lying, and this is the extracellular matrix. Now you can see the high density of the tumor cells. It is because of this high density and some other factors, the tumor cells are able to move on to the extracellular matrix. So this movement to the nearby tissue is known as invasion. This diagram absolutely elucidates the process of invasion. Now a very important thing is, which you need to understand probably, is that invasion is always the stepping stone and initial event which culminates into metastasis. Now it is very much like the first thing which is going to happen, like if you have to go to a higher class, you have to go to a nursery, right? So similarly, metastasis is the bigger process for which tumor invasion is the stepping stone. Without invasion, metastasis is not possible. But it is also true that metastasis might happen. There are some cases where metastasis does not happen or it can be prevented. But for any metastasis to happen, invasion is the first step. So I think that's it. Thank you, students.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and write us back at genesisacademydelhi@gmail.com. Thank you.